If for some reason you need to apply a factory data reset on your Samsung Smart TV, you need to press this button on your remote. Then this icon will show up, you need to press it. After you do it, this menu will appear. Now you have to press this All Settings icon. After that, this other menu will show up. You now need to scroll down until General and Privacy, and now scroll down again until the button where it says Factory Data Reset. Now press this option. After you do it, this notification will appear. The default pin will be 4 zeros. If this numeric menu does not show up, you need to press this button again. Now press 0 4 times. After this, automatically this warning will show up because of course all data will be deleted, including Samsung account information, apps downloaded, and other settings. Then if you are now sure about this, press reset. Now this information will show up, letting you know that the TV will restart automatically after the reset is complete. As a recommendation, do not disconnect your Samsung TV from the power source. Now you have to wait. This process may take around 5 minutes. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. You can watch these recommended videos, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time.